Good afternoon, everybody. This is AVID 9. Just want to go through Thursday, and Friday, October 1st and the 2nd. So these 2 days were about setting up for our first discussion, um, and just went through a couple things to be able to do so. Um, the success was, or the success criteria rather, is to insert yourself in the discussion. And we had a couple ways of doing that, but it's making sure that that's the main goal. So you should be asking yourself, how can I enter the conversation? And although this one has passed, we'll have plenty of other discussions. So that question should always be there. How am I going to enter the discussion? Right. So we went over why to discuss the setup. So this page, you won't necessarily need to fill out now that the time has passed, but at least taking a look at these bullets right here, because this is really going to set you up for some key things about our class discussions. And so just making sure that you have questions that are meant to um, carry on the conversation or the discussion, and not so much just end it by yes or no and factual answers. Okay. So just getting all that put together. This part I do want you to still do. You will go to the flip grid. You have that here from Canvas, and you're just meant to submit your strongest or your best question with the response to it. Okay. That already right there enters you into the conversation. Moving on to Friday, then we actually had the discussion. So same success criteria, because this is the day that we were actually going through it. You can look through these next slides about just some do's and don'ts during the discussion and how that will look in an online setting. But other than that, everything's pretty straightforward. It was just about getting into the discussion. So your work, if you're trying to get caught up, is just at least to submit to Flipgrid a question and response from the article dealing with stress and strong emotions.